So this activity is just to have your child understand a routine, because obviously at this time it's important, because if we're staying all at home, it's easy to get out of sync with the routine of obviously having school and work. But this is just so your child can have a visual reminder of their routine, and it's really good if you can do it with the child and to have a routine that includes things that they like, and to be flexible with it as well, just so they can understand what happens in their day, like what happens next, and when's lunch, or at lunch you need to do these things beforehand. It's also really good for building habits as well into your routine. So all you need is these flashcards, such as getting dressed, and just something that you can hang them on, so your child can visually see the routine as well. So starting off, you can use things like getting up, you can use toilet one, you can use getting dressed, or you could use a bath or a shower. So to start off, you can start with getting up, and obviously have the photo as well, helps the child visually see what they're supposed to do in their routine. And then you can have getting dressed, that is number 2. So you could have going to the toilet, then start by brushing the teeth, or you could have shower or bath, whichever one you do. Just put them in there. Then you can start with breakfast. This also includes things like, if you have pets, you could feed the cats, you could feed the dog, so putting one of those in there. Then also walking the dog, go in there. And these things you can be flexible with. So with your child, there could be, if they wanted to read a story, then they could put this flashcard in there. If they wanted to read a story, if they wanted to play with their toys, put that in. They could go on the computer or the television, but obviously remember to have a maximum amount of time that they spend in a day using these things. So television, or they could have shopping or cooking. So put those in there. There's also one for a surprise. At the end of the day, you could have dinner. Start that off there. Dinner. You could have a bath. You could have getting undressed. And then finally, bedtime. So having these in the house could allow your child to see visually at what point they are in their day, in their routine, to include habits such as reading in every day, and it will really help with the children to have a routine in their day-to-day lives. So I hope this helps, and I hope to see your versions at home if you make them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, bye!